Hello all, in this video I'm going to show how to plot a graph by using tick period, X tick labels. Mostly in X label, what we will get means if you are declaring from 1 to 10 means it will be automatically declared as 1 to 10 in X label. But if you don't need that variable, if you need some other variable other than the number you are declaring in the variable plot means we can just use the tick labels and the tick x ticks and x ticks labels for as usual by for declaring the code that is for declaring the things of x-axis. I'm just given from 1 to 10 number, and here we have giving two line plots which is original and predicted. In the first plot it is from 11 to 20, and the second plot it is from 10.5 to 20.5. So just in order to draw a new figure, we are giving the figure line in line number 10. Next, the plot function is used to plot the first graph, that is the first original plot line plot of the graph which is declared in this graph. Then the second plot is used to plot the second variable predicted, and then x ticks. Generally if you see means the x variable in this code it will be 1 to 10, but I don't need 1 to 10. I just need some categorical values like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, and that also one I have to display in this first thing, and there should be each one intervals between this categorical variable. So, what I have did is in line 14, I have just give the x ticks. So, in the first, that is here we have giving 10 variables per 10 numbers for x, right? So in the first number of x I need the variable like 1, and in the second I don't need anything, so I haven't declared it in the x ticks. In the third I need 2. So if you want in some other lines like 2, 4 or thing 6, 8 means you just need to change the x ticks, and x tick labels some other variables, or even number 2 you have make in those x tick labels. So other legend x label y label is same as other graphs. So now we can run this code. So other than displaying this 1, 2, 3, 4, so generally I will show the difference between x ticks and x ticks label. So for that I'm just commenting this line. Then we can just now run this code. So you can see the difference. Now it is displayed as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 until 10. But now I just uncommenting this x tick line. So you can see the difference, like now it is coming as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So if you want in some other positions means just change the positions like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and just we can run. So now you can see the difference. Initially one was within 10 and now it has some extend line. So this is the use of xticks in xticks and xticks label in this Matlab code. So we'll come and we'll see in the next video with some other tricks in Matlab, Python, and also Vika. Thank you.